for sure. Let me tell you something, a promise. How about a promise from the GC? This will not make you happy, but they do accept it at Whole Foods. Okay? When your mama's sick and it takes 30 grand to get the treatment that's not covered by the HMO or the whatever your health insurance is, they will take that. Money won't make you happy. Money will not fulfill you. Money will not satisfy you. That doesn't mean you shouldn't work for money, okay? By the way, all you guys out there hating on the money game, the money push, looking for that money, okay? This is somebody else's money. I traded a service or a product. They gave me money. They got a better deal than I did, but I need to use this now to multiply, to stack it, racks on racks. Are you getting yours? Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring you a money and finance course. I'm gonna show you that what you learned about money is why you don't have it. Illiterate, the information you have about money doesn't allow you to stack the money. I'm gonna show you what I mean in 2 Saturdays, okay? I'm gonna give you money and finance, give it to you, wealth creation formula, give it to you. If you're not first, you're last, give it to you. You know what that means? Make yourself first, your money first, the customer first, so that you can get their money, so they'll trade with you. Millionaire booklet, video and audio, I'm gonna give it to you for $49. Why? Because I'm gonna be the Uncle G. Stacks on stacks. Stacks on stacks. Stack and rack, stack and rack. What's wrong with it? There's nothing wrong with money until you don't have it. There's nothing wrong with money if you've given up on it. Of course, you would say money's bad. Money is the root of all evil. Money is such a horrible thing. Money is nasty. It's dirty. Okay, money make a man a sinner. Certainly, you would say that if you've given up on the conquest of the paper stacks. But if you haven't given up like I have on taking care of my mom, I remember being 15 years old. The only thing I wanted money so I could take care of my mama. Okay, 40 years later, I still want to take care of my family. That's why I go get the stacks. Nobody's talking to you about money the way I am. You deserve to have it. You deserve to have it stacked up, piles of it, back this far deep. Buildings of it if you want. There's no shortage of it. There is a shortage of people going for the paper rack. Listen to what people are saying to you. It won't make you happy. Okay? Listen to what they're saying. Don't chase the money. Everybody that's telling you that already has money. Or they've already given up on it. Which camp are you going to be in?